Excite Motorsports is proud to now carry the Oreion Reeper series. These multi-purpose recreational vehicles can tackle any kind of off-road terrain and are street legal. Available in 2 or 4-seat models, the Oreion Reeper boasts a 4-stroke Cherry brand engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, sound system, and a 3,000-pound winch. To top it all off, it has adjustable suspension and push-button 4-wheel drive, ready for all your outdoor adventures. Stop down and check out the full line of Oreion Reapers at Excite Motorsports at 408 Front Street in Vestal, or learn more by visiting excitemotorsports.com. Oreion Reeper. Drive the adventure.